we have something like 59,662 cases in the whole country, and we had till now 1,981 unfortunate deaths, 17,847 COVID-19 affected patients have recovered well and they have gone back home. Our fatality rate in the country continues to be around 3.3%, and the recovery rate has climbed up to 29.9%. These are very good indicators. The doubling rate for the last 3 days has been about 11 days. 7 days, for last 7 days it has been 9.9, and for the last 14 days it is 10.7 today. And as you all know, you have also made a lot of preparations. We do not anticipate a very worst type of situation in our country like many other developed countries, but still we have prepared the whole country for the worst situation. And just to give you a feel of what our countrymen have done in various states, you know, we have dedicated 843 hospitals exclusively for COVID treatment, which have about 1,65,991 beds dedicated for that. Also, we have 1,991 dedicated COVID health centers, which again have 1,35,643 beds. These beds include the beds in isolation beds as well as the ICU beds. Similarly, we have already found and created 7,640 quarantine centers all over the country. We might need them for many activities, for quarantining these laborers, also for all the people who are going to come from abroad. Then we have already distributed 69 lakh N95 masks to the various state governments, health departments, and 32.76 lakh PPEs to the whole country by now from the center.
Hi everyone, this is Arnab Goswami and I want to talk about our digital platform Republic World, the fastest news destination which has got you covered on all fronts, be it politics, entertainment or sport. And the reason I want you to follow Republic World is because for far too long there has only been negativity about India on the digital medium. Republic World is my campaign against the negativity prevalent on social media and digital media. So for the first time, I offer you a choice. Get the content that builds the nation. Avoid the content and avoid everyone on digital media who speaks against the nation. And do not forget to download the Republic World app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching. Together, let's kill the negativity against India on the digital media. Let's ensure that it's truly nation first, no compromise.